Hey guys, this to inform you that Niger Lang now offers a one-on-one teaching in Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. Kindly click on the link titled website in the description box to know more.
Welcome to the first section of this course. We are going to be learning Igbo language and its cultures. The first topic we are going to learn today is mkpụrụ abịdị maọbụ mkpụrụ edemede Igbo. Igbo alphabets. Mkpụrụ abịdị enwere n'Igbo dị 36. We have 36 letters in Igbo language, and they are have a, b, ch, d, e, f, g, b, r, w, h, i, G, K, P, Kwe, Le, Me, Ni, Nyi, Mwe, Yi, O, P, Re, Se, She, Ti, O, U, V, We, Ye, Z. It is these alphabets that makes up Igbo alphabets. Ọ bụ mkpụrụ okwu ndị a, mkpụrụ edemede ndị a bụ mkpụrụ edemede ndị Igbo ji wee mere mkpụrụ abịdị ha. Now we are moving to vowels. Anyị na-abanyezi na ụdaume enwere n'Igbo. Ụdaume enwere n'asụsụ Igbo dị asatọ. We have 8 vowels in Igbo language, and they are a, e, I, O, U. Ka anyị depụta ihe ọmụmaatụ site na ụdaume ndị a. Let us give examples with these vowels. A, aka, that is a hand. Another example is akpa, bag, bag. Ihe ọmụmaatụ dị na example of is ede, cocoyam, enwe, monkey. Iko, cup. Imi, nose. Igba, drum. Iri, 10. Oche, chair. Osisi, tree. Ọka, maize. Ọkụkọ, fowl. Udele, vulture. Ube, pear. Ụdara, cherry. Ụdaume, vowels. We're going to look at consonants, Igbo consonants. Mgbochiume, that is Igbo consonants. Mgbochiume bụ mkpụrụ abịdị ndị ahụ a na-enwe mgbochi ikuku n'ọnụ mgbe a na-achọ ịkpọpụta ha. Consonants are those alphabets that we encounter blockage of breath in the mouth when pronouncing them. Now let's look at those letters that made up Igbo consonants. They are 28 in numbers, that is iri abụọ na asatọ. Ha bụ ndị a, they are b, ch, d, f, g, gbe, ghe, gwe, ne, nye, nwe, nye, pi, re, se, she, ti, vi, we, yi, zi. These 28 alphabets is what makes up Igbo consonants. Ugbu a ka anyị nye ihe ọmụmaatụ gbasara mgbochi ume. Now let's give examples of consonants with these words. Bo, bo, ball. Ball in English means ball. Bia, bia in English means come. The next one is che, che, cheta. Cheta in English means remember. Chefuo, chefuo in English means forget. The next one is the, there. There means right. Dinta, dinta, dinta means hunter. The next one is fair, fair, fair. Fair means fly. Fesa, fesa means spill. The next one is go, go, go. Go means read. Go means read. Gara, gara means went. The next one is gbe, gbe. Gbanye, gbanye means what? Pour. Gbanye means pour. Gbuo, gbuo means kill. Gbuo means kill. The next one is re, re. Re means water. Water means catch. Water means catch. Ara, ara, ara means war. The next one is gwe, gwe, gwara. Gwara means tell. Gwakota, gwakota means mix. The next one is he, ha. Ha means they. Hapo, hapo means let go. The next one is G, 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 Je, Je means go. Jide, Jide means hold. The next one is Ki, Ki, Karama. Karama means bottle. Kedu, Kedu means how. The next one is Pe, Pe, Kpakpando. Kpakpando means star. Bachie, Bachie, Bachie means close. The next one is Kwe, Kwe, Kwose. Kwose means stop. Huo, Huo means talk. The next one is Li, Li, letter. Letter. Letter means letter. Le, le, le means look. The next one is me, me, mmadu. Mmadu means human. Makwo, makwo means embrace. The next one is ne, ne, nte. Nte means ear. Ngaji, Ngaji means spoon. The next one is nge, ngomi. Ngomi means emulate. Ngo means drink. The next one is mwe means mwa. Okay, mwa means child. Mwa means child. Wanyi means woman. The next one is nya means drive. Nyem means give me. Pe papa means dad. Pia means press. Rie means eat. Rioro means request. The next one is sa means wash. Saturday means Saturday. Sugar means sugar. Shirt means shirt. The next one is ta means today. Tie means strike. The next one is vicinity. Vicinity means vicinity. Video means video. Some of these words, like the words we have in sugar, shirt, the words we have in vicinity, video, these words are borrowed. There is no words in Igbo like shirt. They are all borrowed. That is why it sounds alike with the English meaning. The next one is where means take. Wa means cut. The next one is ye means wearing. Yikwasa means put on. The next one is Zotara means but. Za means answer. Ihe omume, classwork. Mejuputa mgbochi ume ndị a. Fill in the gaps. Number 1, b dash, d dash. What is supposed to be in between b and d, and what is supposed to come after d? Option A, che, fe. Option B, fe, che. Option C, fe, be. Option D, chi, e. Number 2, be dash, le dash. What is supposed to be here on the dash? Option A, kwe, me. Option B, kwe, nge. Option C, me, nge. Option D, nge, ni. Number 3, gbe dash, gwe dash. What is supposed to be in between the dash? Option A, we, le. Option B, he, e. Option C, we, he. Option D, e. Number 4, when dash or dash. What is supposed to be in between when and or and after or? Option A, ne, or. Option B, ni, or. Option C, o, or. Option D, ni, when. Number 5, re dash she. What is supposed to be in between re and she and after she? Option A, se, ti. Option B, se, u. Option C, u, o. Option D, ni, se. Number 1, the correct option is option A, che, fe. Number 2, the correct option is option A, kwe, me. Number 3, the correct option is option C, re, he. Number 4, the correct option is option B, ni, or. Number 5, the correct option is option A, se, te.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this video educative. You can hit the bell button to get notified when we upload our subsequent lecture videos. See you next lecture.